Okay, I'm here with one of my patients today who came to me about, 3 months ago? Maybe
In November.
November. And she was referred to me by one of her friends who was very happy with the treatment. So I'm going to have her talk to you a little bit about why she decided to seek out this service and what kind of benefits she has seen in the program so far. She's 46 years old, and she's very active, physically active. She exercises a lot, and she takes good care of herself as far as eating clean, and her health is really important to her. So she decided to come to me about 2.5, 3 months ago, like she said, in November, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about why she sought out these services.
So I started to notice that I had perimenopausal symptoms and very active, and I want to keep, be youthful, not just on the outside, but also on the inside. So that's very important to me. And so I seeked out Dr. Rand to help me with that. And in speaking with him, he was able to put me on a program that really has given me tremendous benefits from a physical perspective, but as well as an internal perspective. So my health has been amazing. I've gained muscle mass, lost weight, my body fat's down. I have tremendous amount of energy. I'm performing extremely well in the gym as well, and my libido has also gotten up, which is great, a great plus too. And so far, I'm just really appreciative of this program. It's done tremendous work, and I highly recommend it.
Thank you very much. And when you first came, and before I saw you, we did very detailed blood work.
Yes, correct.
And then we talked about the blood work, and we found that although your hormones were basically normal, there were some deficiencies that if we optimized and improved, you would feel these results that you have gained today. So we put you on some natural bioidentical hormones like testosterone. We put you on testosterone as a injection, right?
That's correct.
And you're doing that once a week.
That's correct.
Where are you injecting that?
I'm injecting it in my abdomen.
Does it hurt?
No,
It's a little pinch?
just a little pinch.
Once a week?
Just once a week.
And are you having any side effects from that?
None at all.
No acne?
No acne, no hair, nothing.
Okay,
Just
great.
the great side effects of energy.
Great. And we gave you some natural thyroid, progesterone, DHEA,
That's correct.
and all of those hormones have helped improve you. So you have in your on your lap a body composition. Can you turn it around and just let us take a look at it? So basically, what we see here is that when she first came, she weighed 128 pounds, and now she weighs 126 pounds. Well, maybe that's not that impressive, but she put on 2 pounds of muscle from 55 to 57, but she's already low body fat at 21, and to go lower to 19 for women is very, very, very challenging. So they have to work very hard to get that down. So she's got the ideal composition where her body fat went down, her weight went down, and her muscle went up. And more importantly, is the patient feels really, really good without any side effects.
Absolutely.
Would you recommend this to other people?
110%.
All right, good answer. All right, well, thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.